So let's just talk about wildcard routes in Express. So the wildcard routes are basically used to handle routes that match a wide range of URL patterns. So they are specially used in scenarios where we don't know about the exact route in advance. Like an example, here we have defined two routes. So first one is users slash the ID, and the ID is expecting numbers from 0 to 9. So we will get this response whenever we use this exact route. Like an example, if we open Thunder client, and here let's just create one new GET request. So localhost 3000 slash users slash, so ID should be numbers, so 1 2 3. So you can see we're getting the response, but if we pass some letters also, in that case we are getting this error. Similarly also this one, so here we have to pass username slash, here the name is expecting only letters from A to Z. If we use slash username slash, if we pass only letters like John, so it is working fine. But if we pass numbers also, in that case we are getting this error. So these two routes we have defined can only handle the specific URL patterns. So we need something that will catch all the remaining routes that we have not defined here. We need wildcard route. So let's see how we can do that. So we are going to use router.get, and here as a pattern we have to use asterisk, and after that we'll have the request response callback method. So the asterisk will match all the remaining routes that we have not defined. And most importantly, this route must be placed at the end of other routes, because Express will match those routes in the order they are defined. So here we can use the wildcard route to send some error message. Like an example, we can send the status code 404, we can send the message page not found. Now here in the request, now if we pass name along with some digit, now we're getting the response 404 page not found. The wildcard route is handling that URL. So we can use users slash the ID. So normally it should be numbers, but also we can send letters now, and this will be handled by the wildcard route, and we are getting the response 404 page not found. So the wildcard route is very powerful tool, and it can handle a variety of routing scenarios, and it will ensure that the application handles unexpected routes properly. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.